Good morning, students. Last class we had discussed about the tables and forms. Today I am going to show you about query, how a query is done. Same process, we click on query means to ask some questions and the database will solve it and return it back to you. So same option, open your file where you have created the table, click on create, then you can click on query wizard. It will prompt you one step one other but I will do so with the query design. But let us see first how query wizard works. I will click on query wizard. This is a sample query wizard, so I click OK. Then it shows me my table, how my query is to be done. See, simple query wizard, which fields do you want in your query? You can choose from more than one table or query. So first of all, I have two tables. One is marks details, one is student. Let me choose student. What are the available fields? These are the available fields I had created. So I just right click it. It goes to the selected fields like this: date of birth, address 1, address 2, pin code, contact number. So this field 1 I had not set it, so let's not choose it here. Then all these fields, roll number, student name, date of birth, address 1, address 2, pin code, contact number are all being selected for the query. Next I click on next. Detail shows every field of every record. Would you like a detail or summary query? So this either of this chosen, these options are chosen. Either you choose summary or you choose detail. So first of all I'll choose detail. Then again and click on the button called next. What title do you want for your query? Student query. Open the query to view information. Okay. Now if I click finish, this is a student query. All records are being shown here. Now let's see what is the query here. Right click it, open design view. Now here automatically it is showing what the query is. That means I have asked to retrieve, means to extract all the records from the table. All the records means the number of records I have inserted, all their database will be open. So this is my query. Now what is the query design look like? Field name, roll number, table name, student, field name, student name, roll number, student, field name, date of birth, roll number, student, field name, address 1, roll number, table name, student, field name, address 2, table name, student, pin code, student, contact number, student. So you see in the table automatically the student name has come. You did not have to select again because initially you have selected the table name student. Now if I switch it off, that means this will not be displayed. So I have to tick it off, tick it on. That means show. That means this field will be shown, student will name shown, date of birth, all these individual fields will be shown. If I switch it off, that means these fields will not be shown. First let me run with this show, then I will show you without deselecting it. Okay, without selecting means actually deselecting it. Now just see all the field names are coming in square brackets. In database when you are calling an attribute, it is usually represented in square bracket. Now this is my query. The result is not yet shown. The result, to show the result, I have to click on the button called run. So I will click on, when I click on the run, this command, this query will be executed. Okay. So this is my output of my query. Now suppose I do not, this is a details of all the records, no difference. So now if I want to modify the record, suppose let me close this. It's not responding. Sometimes it happens with my machine. If it doesn't clicking too many times, it shows not responding. That doesn't matter. It will take little bit time. You might face the same problem also. Don't worry. It will take some time. Do you want to save changes? Yes. Now suppose I want to modify this query. Again I go and click on this, right click, design view. Now I do not want to see address 1, address 2 and contact number. I just want to see roll number, student name, date of birth, pin code. That much I want. So what do? Now I have switched off the tick marks from here, so it will not show. Here the line says show. That means the ones which shows with tick mark, those field names and those records will be shown. So I have removed for address 1, address 2 and contact number. So now I click on run. You see, all those field names have gone. It is not showing. So you can select certain fields and deselect certain fields. So here I have deselected address 1, address 2, then contact number. These 3 fields I have not selected. So only these records are retrieved. So what I can say, I can specify certain options, specify certain criteria, and accordingly I can retrieve the records. Do you want to save design query? So if I say yes, then I will name it as, now where it has gone, save the same query it is coming, but here now this is all through design query wizard. Now I will show you something through query design where you are designing your own query. This is the default query where all whatever you have selected it shows. Now I have saved it. So with the previous options it has saved it. Okay, when it was in the beginning, when I showed it, all the fields were selected, it has showed that. But after that, when I made some changes and then I saved that query, so that query result has been saved. Now let's do something with query design where I will write my own query and execute it. So again the step is create. The step is create query design. I will click on query design. Now after